Folks, let's talk about something every content creator struggles with: reaching people across different languages and cultures. Social media might connect us globally, but actually speaking to everyone, that's way tougher than it looks. Well, what if I told you that there is this small device that fixes that problem? InnAIO AI Translator is like a super smart pocket item that helps you chat with people who speak different languages. I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today we will dive into InnAIO, unboxing and review. I'll show you the device and how it works. And of course, I'll let you know if it's worth getting. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in! Alright folks, let's check out what you get when you order this device. I just opened up the box and I've got everything laid out right here. First up is the star of the show, this sleek black InnAIO Translator device. It's got this really clean minimalist design that I'm loving. The package also includes this pretty cool magnetic attachment ring. Guys, this is actually super handy for mounting your translator in different places. They have thrown in a standard charging cable to keep your device powered up and ready to go. And of course, because they want to make sure you know exactly how to use all these features, there's a comprehensive user manual included. Everything comes in this clean, professional-looking white box with the InnAIO branding right on top. I really appreciate how they've packaged everything so neatly. It definitely gives off that premium tech vibe. The whole setup is pretty straightforward, and you can tell they've thought about making it user-friendly right from the unboxing experience. Alright guys, I have to say, I am seriously impressed with all the features they've packed into this little thing. First off, the price is pretty reasonable at $199. And get this, when you order it, you actually get a bunch of free stuff included, like 60 minutes of voice video call translation, 60 minutes of simultaneous interpreting, an offline translation package, and a whole year of basic service. That's a crazy good deal if you ask me. As for the device itself, it's super compact and portable. It's got this sleek magnetic design, so you can just stick it right onto the back of your phone. Mates, I love how convenient that makes it. You can just take it with you anywhere. But the real magic is in the tech they have packed inside. This thing uses some seriously advanced AI to give you lightning-fast, high-quality translations. Whether you're trying to chat with someone overseas or you need to translate something on the fly, it's crazy accurate and smooth. Oh, and get this, friends, it can even do real-time translations during video or voice calls. That's a game-changer for anyone who needs to communicate globally, whether it's for business or just staying connected with friends and family. Honestly, I'm kinda blown away by how much functionality they've crammed into this little device. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Okay folks, so I've been playing with this little device for a bit, so let me tell you about the things that, in my opinion, make it stand out. One of the coolest features is the real-time translation for voice and video calls. Imagine being able to have a smooth, natural conversation with someone who speaks a totally different language. It's like having your own personal interpreter right there, whether it's for business meetings, interviews, or just chatting with friends overseas. And get this, guys, it works seamlessly across all your social media apps. I am talking WhatsApp, Facebook, and even Telegram. You can just hop between platforms, and the device will translate everything in real time, both text and voice messages. That's huge for brands or creators who are trying to engage with the global audience. No more awkward language mix-ups or constantly switching between apps to communicate. Another thing that's blown me away is the simultaneous interpretation for virtual events and conferences. I recently hosted this big live Q&A session with people from all over, and normally that would have been a total nightmare to manage. But with the InnAIO, I could just speak in my native language, and it would instantly translate everything for the audience. And guys, the best part? It even gives you a summary afterwards, so you can recap the key points for social media posts and stuff. Oh, and it works offline too. I was at this place the other day with spotty Wi-Fi, but folks, I was still able to translate signs, menus, even documents that people were sharing. Being able to engage with local languages without an internet connection is such a game changer, and the accuracy on this thing is just insane. I've tried a bunch of translation apps before, and they always seem to mess up little details or give completely wonky results. But the InnAIO's photo translation feature is crazy on point. Folks, I can snap a pic of literally any text, and it gives me a perfect translation in seconds. Honestly, if you're someone who's trying to connect with a global audience on social media or in business, I can recommend this device. It's completely changed the way I communicate and made my life so much easier. So, my friends, that's the InnAIO AI Translator, a small device with some seriously big benefits. Whether you're a traveler, a content creator, or just someone who loves connecting with people from different parts of the world, this gadget is like having your own personal translator on hand, 24/7. From real-time translations during calls to offline features that work even in the middle of nowhere, the InnAIO really delivers on its promises. It's convenient, super easy to use, and honestly, it makes breaking down language barriers feel effortless. Guys, if you're ready to communicate globally without all the awkwardness, give this device a try. Check the links in the description. Don't miss out. And if you've got any questions or experiences with this device, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.